In this video, I want to show you the brake fluid reservoir on your Honda Element. In case you don't know where it's located, this is the engine, and right over here, this is the fuse box. It's the reservoir. Now to open it, you simply have to unscrew the cap. You're gonna have a gasket that you can remove. And yeah, this is where it goes. I'll put links on Amazon to get the right fluid for your Honda. So check my links out. Never overfill it. I know it's hard to see on the camera, but there's a line and it says max. All right, I think you see it right now, max. Never go above that line and you should be good. At the end, once you're done, put back this cap, the small gasket, and make sure the cap clicks at the end. All right, let me just position it. Okay, great. It wasn't a very loud click, but definitely I felt it clicking in place, and even if I move it slightly, it will not unscrew itself. Please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, well, check also my Amazon links. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.